Welcome to our hood. This is our morning routine. 45 minutes walk from our house. Paikot siya, guys. So, ito siya maganda dahil maraming nag-walking din dito sa likod ng subdivision namin.
This tree is a nice one too. The dead and the live one.
Tapos ng ating walking now, dalhin ko kayo sa aking parang gubat ang backyard ko, guys. Dalian natin ngayon dahil medyo umuulan. Tingnan mo itong mga vines. Ay, naku, makabusit talaga itong vines. Para siyang para siyang headbands ng mga trees ko. Ito siya, parang weeds yata, pero tumutubo siya na may bulaklak. Last summer, pinabayaan ko siya. But this time, guys, patayin natin yan siya. Sana hindi pa tayo maabutan ng ulan dahil medyo makulimlim na siya, guys. Pero wala tayong magagawa, o diba? Ngayon kasi medyo warm siya kaya tamang-tama na linisin natin ang ating backyard. Look guys, sibuyas. Yan ang sinabing matirang matibay. Taran! Look! Nabunot ko ang dalawang weeds dyan, guys. Napakalaking weeds. Parang inalagaan ko siya parang flower, pero weeds yata yun. Ang mga chingkwa, oh. Tinapo nila dito yung crab, nila. Okay, hello sa lahat ng mga tao dyan. So ngayong araw guys, busy si Mami. Pagkatapos kong nag-cleaning sa aking backyard, oh my gosh, ang aking backyard ay puno ng mga weeds. Hindi lang weeds na weeds guys, na ordinary weeds siya, ay mga vines, weed, mga tinik. So yan siya. Since hindi nakaluto si Mami ng mga leftover, ito siya salad. So Daddy will eat the salad. And kagabi guys, nakaluto na mga anak ko ng mga sweets. Oh, si Liit, nagkaluto siya ng snickerdoodle. Dahil last time naubos namin kaagad yung snickerdoodle niya. And then si eldest ko guys ay nakaluto siya ng cream cheese cake. Oh my God. Sabi niya bundt cake daw, pero ang bundt cake ay naglagay siya ng cream cheese, 8 ounce na cream cheese and 6 pieces na eggs. Para talaga siyang cheesecake. Nakaluto siya ng cheesecake. Girls! So ngayon pa dinner si Mami, nakatulog ako guys dahil naglinis ako sa ating backyard. Then naligo. Oh my gosh, napaka-busy ang buhay ko ngayon. Masakit yung paa ko eh. So yan, nag-grill ako ng chicken sa lunch namin. May grilled pa tayo. So yan, ipakain natin ni Daddy. And then, nagluto ako ng ARREPAS. Yan. Sa bahay ko, walang problema sa ARREPAS ma-breakfast, lunch, or dinner dahil si ARREPAS is with meat siya. And then, parang tinatamad ko, madali lang kasi siya eh. Parang sandwich din siya. Ayan. Nagluto ako. Ayan pala'y nagkagulo sila kagabi dahil si eldest ko guys nagawa ng cheesecake. Ayan siya. Out of 2 layers, yan na lang naiwan 1/4. Pero kinain namin guys. Super sarap siya. Oh my gosh, she nailed it. And then, si Liit ko guys, since naubos namin kaagad yung snickerdoodle, nagawa siya ng iba. Pero nako, binuhos niya yata yung cinnamon. Nasubrahan na cinnamon. And then, ito ang ating Hawaiian macaroni fruit salad. Hindi pa yan na mix guys. I-mix na naman natin yan. So ito siya ang dessert for tonight. My favorite, ito talaga si cheesecake. Tingnan mo ang mga anak ko kagabi. Akala kong nagkagulo sila hanggang alas 2 yata ng madaling araw. Nagkagulo sila dahil nagugutom. And then, nagugutom sila ay nag-bake. Tingnan mo, snickerdoodle at ito isa si cream cheese. 2 layer ito ng plato guys. 2 layer. And yan na lang naiwan, 1/4 na lang. Kinakain din namin, oh. Meron din tayo dito marami pa fruit salad, Hawaiian salad ko guys. Nako, ako lang kakain at si Daddy. So napakadami pa niya. Come on Dad, dinner time! So ito ang pa-dinner ni Mami guys. Si ARREPAS. ARREPAS kay Daddy is chicken with vegetables. On diet si Daddy. Are you on diet, Dad?
Yes.
We are all on diet. Kami lahat guys is nag-count kami ng aming calories count. So it's not just si Daddy, but all of us dahil naku, super taba ko. Tingnan ninyo. Super taba ko kaya. Ay! So ARREPAS is mayonnaise ang ilagay ninyo. Is it only mayonnaise for ARREPAS?
No,
Huh?
I don't use mayonnaise.
Oh, what did you use for this?
I don't know.
Oh, because Lailing, the one in Kazakhstan, she used ARREPAS. Oh, she used ARREPAS. She used mayonnaise. Yeah, I always do mayonnaise for you. This is like sandwich. So yan siya guys, mayo. Naku, ang mga anak ko tulog pa dahil nagluto sila ng cake kagabi. So, after class 2:35, tulog sila guys. Hanggang ngayon, what time is it now? It's 7 o'clock in the evening. Yeah. Tulog pa yung mga anak ko. Gisingin natin yun dahil kailangan nila magawa ng homework. So, yun ang ginagawa nila. After school, sleep after school, they have to take a nap. And then, you have to gising them to do their homework, eat dinner. After that, hanggang alas 2 pa yan sila mag-study. So, ito siya is mayonnaise. And, lagyan natin siya ng Kraft Swiss cheese. Ayan siya. Swiss cheese is masarap. Naubos na yata. Wake up your sister, please, sweetie. Just wake her up. Swiss cheese for our ARREPAS. Naubos na yata ito dahil kanina umaga pagising ko, marami na siyang papel-papel. Kinain man nilang. How many pieces? 14 pieces. Ito na lang naiwan. Out of 14 pieces, I ate 10 pieces last night. And then, this is the turkey. Turkey breast siya na oven roasted. Ayan, masarap siya. Turkey. Ayaw namin yung baboy. Hindi kami kumakain ng baboy, guys. Then we have to eat this dahil yesterday. What kind of meat that we threw away yesterday? It's a roasted.
Pastrami.
Oh, pastrami is a very yummy and expensive meat. Nako, tinapon dahil it looks brown na. Nako, pagising ng umaga nasa garbage, nasa garbage na ang pastrami. Tinapon ni Daddy dahil it's expired and it looks like brownish. So, sabi ko, if we buy this daily food for sandwich, we better just eat it fast dahil syempre, may mga expired date siya. Pinagising kong isang anak. Ayan, baka natulog na naman yan. Hey guys, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you haven't eat these ARREPAS. And huwag kalimutan, click the notification bell. Thank you. Okay, here's yours. Oh, that's a real vanilla?
Yeah.
Well, vanilla is expensive, you know? Vanilla, guys, is expensive. Daddy said that. It's not a just imitation because there's a lot of imitation vanilla, but we have the original.
Somebody's gonna rob us of the vanilla. We better not put that in the video.
Oh my
You drink
God.
Chili's? Just drink it
Look
out of the
at
bottle.
this. It's very interesting. Cream cheese. But
Cream pound.
it's a cream pound cake. Since they make it, guys, late na last night, magawa ako, guys, para ipakita ko sa inyo how to make it. Dahil sa anak ko nagawa, I'll just make it.
You nailed that cake.
Very yummy cake. Yun na lang iwan. She nailed it. Very yummy. I'm so proud of you.